Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you to set time and date on this SKMEI 2272 model watch. So if you also have got this watch, then this video will be very helpful to set time and date. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this SKMEI 2272 model watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me. As you see here, currently I am in timekeeping mode. If you are in different function, press left side down button. As you see here, this is alarm, press again, this is stopwatch. This is another function, press again, this is dual time mode, press one more time, then you will come in actual timekeeping mode. So this is actual timekeeping mode. After coming here, press right side down button for a while. As you see here, this button, after pressing for few seconds, you can see here the hour formats have started blinking. Currently it's 12-hour format. If you want to go towards 24-hour format, press right side top button. As you see here, if I press this right side top button again, it come back to 12-hour format. So this is how you can change hour formats. After changing this, now let's move towards setting time and date. Now to do that, you have to press right side down button. As you see here, the seconds have started blinking. After this, to adjust this second or to reset it towards 0, you have to press right side top button. As you see here, whenever I press this, it makes second 0. After this, to adjust minute and hour, press right side down button. Now hours have started blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. It even changes AM and PM. As you see here on the display, currently it's PM. If I press this right side top button, it vanishes from the display. It means it is AM. And if I continue press this right side top button again, it comes back towards PM. So this is how you can adjust hour. Now to adjust minute, again press right side down button. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust hour and minute. After adjusting these, to adjust date, you have to press right side down button one more time. You can see here the months have started blinking. Currently it's January. Press right side top button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust months. After adjusting month, follow same step. Press right side down button to adjust date. As you see here, if I rotate this crown this side, you can see here the date have started blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. Set your desired date. After this, to adjust days of a week, again press right side down button. You can see here the Sunday is blinking. Press right side top button to go ahead. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is how you can adjust time and date on this watch. Now if you want to keep it fixed, press left side down button once at the end. So after pressing this, you can see here whatever the adjustment you have did is fixed over here. Now if you want to set this analog time, pull out the crown outside, rotate this backward to rotate this hand clockwise. After this, keep rotating. This is exactly 3. So after setting time, push it back inside. You can see here, this is how you can adjust digital and analog time together. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you very much for watching till late and comment below what you want next tutorial.